What's up, e-heads? Diesel dudes. Look at this. We're underneath the bridge. Because it's hot. And we're good with solar. We make too much solar. So we don't need solar right now. Today we are on the Onyx, the RCR. We're going to an abandoned ranch. An abandoned ranch. We started coming up here the other day, and we got to the perimeter, and I swear to God I saw somebody moving. So I turned away and I ran away scared. But then I looked it up online. Turns out it's abandoned. It's been abandoned since 2015 or something like that. So if there's anybody up there, they're just up there like how I'm up there. I'm not like in their property. It's called the Star Ranch. And I'm not the first person to go up there.
There's the sound of automatic gunfire up in the hills. And this neck of the woods, this place is notorious for crazy hill people.
Wow. An insect just nailed my goggles so hard. I told you guys I broke off my kickstand. I broke the kickstand off the Onyx. Unintentionally, obviously. And the Super 73. And you know, the kickstand you really take advantage of the kickstand. It's a very helpful little thing to have. My wheel is still wonky in the front. I've called a couple places, and the motorcycle people don't know what I'm talking about when I say true. I need my front wheel trued up. And then the bicycle people, they like don't have the right size tools. So I don't know, where do I go to get a 17-inch dirt bike wheel tuned or trued? Oh no! Whoa, dude! Y'all are being weird. Dude, y'all are being weird. State property. Dude, I do not want to get trapped in here. I googled this place and there was one story about how a murderer, someone killed an actress in Hollywood and they fled up here. I saw a video where there's a girl came up here with her boyfriend. She drove her car up here. That was in 2018. And this place was a wedding venue for a while, I guess. And then they got shut down by the state. And now it's just a creepy abandoned ranch. I got rid of my mirrors, guys. I got rid of my side view mirrors because they weren't really doing anything. Yeah, they looked pretty sweet, but they really do not work well in the bus. They really get banged and scratched up in the bus, and they make it look more like a motorcycle, even though this looks, you know, so much like a motorcycle. But the mirrors plus the helmet, it's like, nah, that's too much. Okay, here it is. Wow. Bunch of balloons up here. Man, people come up here to party. Wow. It's a fixer-upper. It's a fixer-upper, that much I know. Should I pull the drone out, or should we drive around a little more? Damn. A guy drove by on a truck, with a truck, and he stopped up there. Huh. What's he doing up there? Spying on me? Kind of want to look around here a little more, but a sketchy truck drove by. I got my drone shot I wanted. Actually, it's probably just a Corona City worker guy. That truck drove past me. My drone was out in the air. Man, this looks sick. What a sick place to live if it wasn't dilapidated. No signal. This is how those movies start. At right about this time of day, too. How much does this property cost? And do I have to fix it? Can I just park up here with my bus? It'll be a pain in the ass, but my bus could get up that hill. Just a bing bong. Wow, what a waste of graffiti space. Just a perfect little wall for some good graffiti that only true urban explorers, well actually this ain't even urban, only true explorers will find. I'm going back down. We're going back down. We'll come back up here with a squad, you know, one of these days. They wouldn't just trap me in here, would they? They wouldn't just be like, we saw him on security camera, lock all the entrances. We'll get him. We'll get this son of a bitch. Okay, this gate is not locked. And then the next one, sure as hell better not be locked. If it is, there is one other way to escape. It is not fun. Thank fuck. No dumping. It's like they really do have to have that sign. Because people do be bringing dumb shit up there. Oh god, what am I gonna do with this sofa? Should I call sanitation and do a bulk pickup, which is part of my trash services that I pay for every month, and then just have them come and pick it up in 3 or 4 days? Or should I throw it in the back of my Toyota Tacoma and drive it up a mountain? This wrist mirror is better than any other mirror. Because it's a human accessory, not a bike accessory. You can You can put it on whatever you want. I mean, you can only put it on your wrist, but you can ride any bike you want and you have the same mirror. If you like that mirror on that bike, you'll love it on this other bike. Underneath the bridge, I have parked my bus, 'cause the sun is so damn hot. That's gonna be the vlog, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for supporting me on Patreon. Hope you guys are enjoying being 15 vlogs ahead of everyone else. And you know, obviously save a dinosaur ride an e-bike, but also get after it. Plain and simple, just get after it, you know? Fill your day with productive stuff. Kill a dinosaur. Drive a diesel. Peace.